Good evening, everyone. Welcome to this wonderful night. Did you know that when a star is born, they possess a gift or two? One of them is this. They have the power to make a dream come true. So come with us now as we go on a magical journey through the stars and dream the night away.
Wishes may come true.
Father! Father! I'm real!
You are a real boy! A real live boy! Pinocchio!
By virtue of Starlight and all that is good, may each and every one of your dreams come true.
We all deserve to have our wishes. They belong to us. And they are beautiful. Oh, go on, make a wish. I wish. Oh, I just want all our wishes to have a chance to come true. Whoa! This is more than I could have ever dreamed possible.
I'm having a vision! I see magic all around! And I see you there! are meant to be.
That and faith and trust.
And pixie dust.
That's right. Then maybe they'll be able to fly too.
Oh, Peter, it's beautiful.
Come on, off to Neverland. Here we go.
There's so many stars to wish upon tonight.
Look at our pals.
Oh, Mickey, they've been kissed by Starlight.
Just like us.
It's a dream to be up here among the stars.
Yup, it's a wish come true.